So this is my latest tutorial video on how to spray doors like these. We start with these 1 1/4 by 9 inch 20 gauge strap ties. Utilizing these two outer holes with 2 nails is a perfect way to set up the doors for spraying. They're a great size as the 2 nails on either side hold the doors together without the worry of the strap ties moving. And because of the thickness, they'll bend in order to accommodate doors with slightly different heights. This allows us to stagger the doors in a way that we can easily spray all the areas of the doors. They also work very well on these solid wood doors. After sanding and cleaning all areas of the doors, we spray a light coat of the urethane modified acrylic bonding primer, which is the same primer we use for cabinet painting, or on any surface where we need to ensure proper bonding when we apply the top coat of paint. Once all areas are coated, we'll let stand to dry. The tie straps are holding well, so we'll be back in a couple hours to start applying the top coat. Once I start top coating, and because these particular paneled colonial doors are oak, I prefer to first spray all the edges of the panels. I do this to ensure that all the edges of the panels are fully covered and to make sure I don't apply too much paint as to cause paint runs by trying to just paint the entire door at once. So now I'll let these dry up a bit and then come back and spray the entire door. Once the edges I painted are dry enough, I now spray the entire door as you can see here. I'll then let that dry and then spray a full second coat over the entire door. Doing it this way ensures both all edges and all flat panels of the door are fully coated. So this is a different job we did a while back. I wanted to give you a better view on how I actually spray these. As you can see, I do a lot of squatting here to ensure every spray run has the same equal coverage. That way we don't have light spots on the bottom or the top compared to the middle of the door. It's also how I stay in shape. And here they are finished. We'll give them a full day to dry and then reattach them to the door jambs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.